Hey, today I'm fixing a double barrel shotgun. This one right here. I cut it to 19 inches. Right there. With the front side. The stock had some issues. Had a big crack right here on the top and another one right here on the bottom. It was almost broken off, missing some pieces right here that I filled in with epoxy. I refinished the stock. I'm gonna refinish the foregrip and do some bluing on the whole thing. Make it look not brand new, but at least better looking.